What is the weakest force in the universe? Is it the weak force or gravity? This is a question that almost confuses all physicists. The weakest force in the universe is not the weak force, but gravity, and even if gravity were to increase 1 billion times, it would still be the weakest fundamental force in nature. The strongest force in nature is even 1 trillion times stronger than gravity. Whenever you pick up your phone, you are overcoming the gravity of the entire Earth. You might wonder why gravity is so weak. Currently, the answer to this question can be given by string theory. String theory posits that our universe is made up of vibrating strings that are smaller than atoms, electrons, and even quarks. When the strings begin to vibrate, distort, or fold, they produce different effects. Physicists can thus explain all physical phenomena in the universe. Unlike the four-dimensional spacetime we perceive in our daily lives, string theory suggests that our spacetime has 10 dimensions. These extra dimensions are extremely small, and they are curled up in regions smaller than the Planck length. However, some physicists believe that within these curled-up dimensions, there are dimensions that may extend far beyond the Planck length. They belong to large-scale extra dimensions, yet they are not as large as you might imagine. They are probably only about 1 millimeter in size. In this theory, apart from gravity, the other 3 fundamental forces, namely the strong force, weak force, and electromagnetic force, are confined to our everyday 3-dimensional universe. However, gravity is not limited by the 3-dimensional universe. Instead, it can affect all 10 dimensions. This means gravity is also quite powerful. It may even be greater than the strong force. However, because the other 3 fundamental forces only operate within the 3-dimensional universe, while gravity acts across all 10 dimensions, its strength is diluted. In our 3-dimensional world, it appears particularly weak. If our universe really hides a 4th, or even a 5th spatial dimension, we would see wondrous physical phenomena in a space of 1 millimeter. For instance, at this scale, gravity would suddenly become stronger, because all its strength would be concentrated together. We could also create micro-black holes in a particle collider, has created micro-black holes, as gravity becomes stronger at small scales, making it easier to create a black hole. However, so far, there has been no experimental data to prove the existence of these extra dimensions. The reason why gravity is so weak remains a mystery.